So I'd like to go over the second part of the What's the Difference project, and it's going to be a 4-page document, and you'll use InDesign to lay out your project. But first, let's work with Photoshop. So I'd like to get one of these images open here and make it 5 by 7. So here's one of your original photographs. And let's see, we just hit cancel right here. So what you want to do with the girl jumping photos, you want to make sure that it is something that you can put into InDesign and it's not too big, not too small, and the resolution's nice and good. So let's go ahead and make this, a 5 by 7 at 300. 300 pixels per inch is your print document size. It's your print resolution. 72, that was what it was on before, had a lot more inches to it, but the 72 is a internet size. So you could do it a 4 by 6 or 5 by 7, either one. Let's do this one 4 by 6 at 300 pixels per inch. I'm going to hit OK. It will, and then you can hit Command 0 to make it fit on the screen. And let's do some of these editing things to be kind of fun. And then you want to make sure to save this, and we're going to save it in the What's the Difference folder inside of Images and Girl Jumping. And I'll just overwrite the old one and hit OK. So let's do some of the changes here. Let's call this Girl Jumping. Let's make a new layer. Let's call this Tree. So let's find this tree. We're going to go here. We're going to go to the clone stamp tool, and make sure the default is on current layers. Go ahead and change it to all layers. And let's replace that tree here with just something over here. Let's see how this looks. And it looks a little mushy, but it's okay. We can get away with something like that. And how about these flowers here? Let's make some more red flowers. So let's make another layer, call it Red Flowers. And I'm going to clone right here on that red flower, and I'm going to make another one, clone here, and we'll make 3 red flowers right there. How about, I think I showed you on the first video, but let's try this again. Let's go and just copy some of that shirt here. Right there. I'll make sure I'm on the girl jumping layer. I'll hit Command C, Command V for copy paste. I'll call it shirt. And I just wanted to show you up here how you can just hit copy paste in here, and I believe you can also do it with your right click. So now I'm going to go to the move. I'm going to move it down like that, hit Command T, resize it up, something like that, and scoot it over about like that. Oh, it's a little messed up right there, so I'm going to maybe, that seems to be okay. So something like that. And I want you to make like 7 to 10 changes. Make them so that people can see them. I know you want to do something that's a little more difficult on the expert level, What's the Difference, but this one should be fine for our medium level. And I only did 3 changes, so let's do at least 7 to 10. But at this point, I'm going to go ahead and save this. Save this in our What's the Difference folder, in the Images folder, Girl Jumping, and we'll call it Girl Jumping 2. And that is the end of this video. The next video I'll show you how to do some of this in InDesign. Thanks for watching.